Hey everybody, Carl here from App, and we've got the new Sony X800G television here next to us. We're going to do an input lag test for you. So to start off, I've got it just set on cinema home mode just to kind of give you a baseline number, so a mode that is not game mode. And this is all done at 1080p at 60 Hertz because that's the type of testing device we have to use. And that kind of glitched on me there, so we'll try it again. And we're looking at about, let's see here once it slows down, about 48.9 milliseconds just on cinema home, and then we'll turn it on to game mode and see how that affects things. And that's going to drop us down to right around 32.2 milliseconds, 32.1. So it drops off. It's not probably the greatest monitor for gaming on, but there is a drop off. So that's a good thing at least. This is kind of more of the starting point of the XBR televisions. So we see something, but again, it's not the greatest numbers we've ever seen, but not horrible at least. So that's the input lag for the Sony X800G. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned because we're going to have more videos coming up.